All right, podcasters, buckle up and crack open that dusty old philosophy book because today's episode, total brain archaeology. We're talking about AI breakthroughs that already happened in 1987.
Wait, what? You're telling me the latest mind-blowing AI stuff is actually ancient history?
Pretty much. So here's the wild thing. Cognitive scientists and philosophers, decades ago, basically mapped out many of the core ideas that we now call cutting-edge AI. Stuff like reasoning with symbols, learning from patterns, even building internal world models.
So you're saying all these shiny new breakthroughs might just be us rediscovering old knowledge?
Exactly. It's like we keep reinventing the cognitive wheel, but this time with GPUs and billion token datasets. Some of the methods we're hyping as revolutionary, cognitive science labs were playing with those before the internet was even mainstream.
Dang. So what happened? Did we just forget?
Kinda. AI had its winters. Funding died, ideas got shelved, and then deep learning hit like a meteor. Everyone went neural net crazy in symbolic AI. The more philosophy rooted stuff got sidelined.
But now the pendulum's swinging back.
Oh, yeah, with models like Claude and GPT hitting reasoning ceilings, there's this sudden rush to mix in old school ideas. Things like planning, attention, even grounding AI in real world logic. And guess what? The textbooks already told us how to do it.
This is giving Indiana Jones, but make it AI. Like digging up forgotten scrolls that say, hey, future nerds, here's the blueprint.
Totally. And here's the kicker. Some of the OGs in this space, like Marvin Minsky or Eleanor Roche, were already wrestling with AI's biggest questions. What is understanding? Can machines develop concepts? What's the nature of memory? All the juicy stuff.
And now the machines are like, yeah, about that, we're catching up.
Exactly. It's like the models are finally maturing into the theories we wrote down 40 years ago. The code is new, but the soul, vintage cognitive science.
So what do we do with this? Do we just start rereading old PhD theses and mining them for AI gold?
Honestly, yeah. There's a whole library of insights waiting to be reawakened. Imagine pairing those forgotten frameworks with today's compute and scale.
Okay, now I'm wondering how much genius have we already buried just because we weren't ready for it at the time.
Exactly. Progress isn't always linear. Sometimes the future looks back to move forward.
So, BotCasters, maybe the real prompt isn't what's next, but what did we forget?
Catch you next time on Unity's BotCast, where dead philosophers whisper in the silicon and living code finally listens.